ladies and gentlemen, my name is the IT Guy and welcome to another video of mine. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix a problem where Windows is showing you the wrong time. So as you can see right now, if I type in Google time in Belgium, we are in Belgium here, it's 13 o'clock. And if we look at my clock from my computer over here, we are actually 2 hours behind. So what we want to do is we want to go back, actually let me refresh that. So it's, as you can see, 1306. So to fix this, it's actually a common problem, and the way to fix it is actually you just go over to the Start menu, type in services.msc, and then you scroll down to the bottom, go to Windows Time. You want to click Properties and set this one to automatic. As you can see, I already set mine to automatic, but it's going to be set to manual in most cases. So you want to set this to automatic, hit apply, hit OK, and then you will want to start the service. As you can see, because it's set to manual, it will not start automatically when the computer starts. So setting it to automatic will have Windows start up the Windows time service every time the computer starts up. And so we now started the service, and if we wait a few seconds, then you'll see that the clock will set itself to the correct hour. Instead of 11 o'clock, it will become 13 o'clock within a few seconds here. Okay, so after a few seconds of waiting, sometimes it can take a little while for the PC to really catch up with the time. So it took me it took around a couple of minutes here before it actually switched to the correct time. But in the end, it did work out. So yeah, this was actually just me showing you a pretty quick way to fix this problem. And you know, if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, you guys. And if you like the video, hit that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.